Hey, in this video we're going to learn how to use fillet and chamfer command properly in AutoCAD. The fillet command turns corners in a slight curve. I'll activate the fillet command by typing F in the command line. Then it asks to select the object, but when we use this tool for the first time, we usually have the radius set as 0. And consequently, nothing happens after specifying the objects. So first, we have to click on radius or type R and press enter. I'll enter the radius as 0.5 meters. Now I can select the first line. Then the second one. The order is not important. And now you can see an arc is created in the corner with a radius of 0.5 meters. Now let's see the next example where I am going to show you to use fillet for all the corners in this polyline at the same time. First, activate the fillet command. Now it says radius 0.5 meters. So I'll leave the radius like that, but this time I'll use the option polyline. And then finally select this polyline. And you can see that the fillet command is applied to all the corners at the same time. Now let's learn about the chamfer command. Chamfer command works in a similar way as fillet command. But instead of an arc, it creates a line. We have to specify two distances in order to draw it. So first, let's activate the chamfer command by typing CHA in the command line and press enter. Now the first thing here is to specify the distances. I can click here, or enter D. For the first distance, I choose 0.5 meters. And for the second, 1 meters. Select the first line. Then click on the second line. Note that here you have to select the line in order to draw the chamfer correctly. And that's all for today. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.